Small cap stock FEMY ran up a huge volume in this session of today, the 26th of September 2023, or rather in the regular session. The gain was an astronomical 346.32% on way above average volume of 190.8 million shares. The price crossed above its 200-day, 50-day moving average, as well as its 200-day moving average. Volume also spiked as well. Trading volume exceeded a 10-day average of 11.315 million shares by 753.86%. So even without this this news, this spike, the regular volume is also a reasonably high one as well, but definitely it was trading way below a dollar, way below 50 cents, as a matter of fact. So the reason behind this is that yesterday, at the close of the market, yesterday the 25th, the company disclosed that they received a clearance from the FDA to market FemaSeed and intratubal and artificial insemination for infertility treatment. The FemaSeed procedure, approved in Canada, works with FemVue. Femasys is FDA-cleared diagnostic device for in-office ultrasound assessment of the fallopian tubes. Yeah, in the post-market session of yesterday, it ran up a gain of 138.42 and proceeded to ramp up more gains. So the stock is currently outperforming the S&P 500, and momentum is also strongly bullish as investors continue to pay high prices for the stock. The volume for today was way heavier than usual, trading 190.811 million shares versus an average of 1.775 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. Okay, so huge spike. We can see that huge spike. Yesterday, the 25th, it was actually rising, yesterday as well, before that news came out, and then when today's session broke, when the pre-market session of today broke, it ran up. And the thing about this is that market participants definitely participated very well in this stock, because this is a stock that was rallying in the post-market of yesterday, continued to rally in the pre-market session of today, and in the regular session of today. We checked it earlier on in this in this session. The gain was around 280%, and then we have now come back again. It has added another 100% to it. This is just phenomenal. A lot of market participants must have benefited from this rally. It's a good one, not just one that it's pumped in the regular session and dies off, continued on. So what we're looking at right now is that on its one. Okay, let's see what's going on right now, because the post-market session is still in play, still very much open. Okay, so the stock has cooled off from the highs of 1.48, where it closed. Has cooled off 1.48. When the market closed, it closed at 1.48, I want to believe. So this is where it was when the market closed. 1.48 started, 1.48. Okay, yeah, but that's where it closed. It closed at 1.48. So we are looking at right now, it has cooled off now at $1.2, and the projection on its 10-period moving average is that it's going to continue to retrace. I mean, now naturally you should expect this. It has a huge amount of gain, huge, astronomical. Yes, the 10-period moving average it's projecting a downward movement. So on this one-day chart, okay, before we go to the one-day chart, let's look at the hourly chart and see what we have there. Okay, on the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, it's trading below all of its moving averages, or averages on this 1 hour chart. So the projection is that it's going to plummet. It's going to plummet all the way down to around 0.0918 on this 1 hour chart. Wow, that's really harsh. 0.0918. There are no upper projections on this 10-period moving average. This is the projection on its 10-period moving average. But the Fibonacci projections are that it's going to. The projections are $1.31, 1.38, because right now it's closed at 1.48, but in this regular session it's at 1.19 right now on this 1 hour chart. And then we have 1.41 all the way towards 1.57 below 1.57 we have let's see what we have. We have $1.5 dollars. Okay, so the most upper projection on this 1 hour chart is 1.58. So but the 10 period moving average is projecting a huge amount of weakness on this 1 hour chart. So it's only a 1 hour chart, you know. It's just prints short-term events. That's what it prints. And the daily chart is obviously much better. Prints after every 60 minutes, after every 24 hours. Yeah. So on this 1 day chart, it's just slightly above its almost upper projection of $1.42. This is where the market closed at 1.48, so it's above that. So the daily chart is projecting also weakness as well. It's projecting the retracement. It's the downward projection. It has the projection on its 1 day chart is that come Thursday the 5th of October it's going to be at 0.3893. Is that going to happen? 0.3893. And on the 1 week chart we have upper projection. We have the projections on its 10-week moving average is a strong one. It's upward. It's not bearish. It's a bullish one. 1.27 is projected come 6th of November. You know, so would it be the case that it's just going to cool off from this rally and then towards early November it will probably rebound? You know, but apart from all of these, there are other fundamental projections, fundamental upgrades. I would say upgrades from a couple of research firms, a couple of analysts. So we have Jones Trading raises Femasys price target to $7 from $5, keeps a buy rating. Yeah. Okay, let's see whether there has any other upgrade. There might be a couple of them in here in these. Let's see whether we're going to see any upgrade. It says yeah, was skyrocketing past 252% after saying it received a clearance from the US FDA to market FemaSeed and intratubal artificial insemination for infertility treatment. It sounds good, you know, but it's a very small cap stock, $5 million only, definitely vulnerable to manipulation. Okay, let's see let's see whether we're going to find it here. There might be a couple of upgrades. Okay, Femasys, okay, has an upgrade from let's see, Chardan Research raises target price to $2 to $12 from $10. Okay, so couple of upgrades there, you know. So see what you make of FEMY stock, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.